Hello there folks, it's Deepak here from the Rural London Gardener. Hope you guys are doing good. We're towards the end of May and I thought I'll ping you a quick video on progress here in the back garden. So we have the sugar snap peas. You can see there's no slug damage. I haven't done sugar snap peas for quite a while, so I'm looking forward to seeing them flower and can't wait to taste the peas, and even the pods are edible, so I'm looking forward to munching on them soon. We have cucumbers doing quite well. I planted these last week actually. The weather is getting better here in the UK, in London. Clinging onto the cable. These cables are telephone cables. These are all from the skip. These cables here. What I've done is tie them onto the bamboo and the A-frame, and they'll just climb up it. Tomato plants are doing well. See them flowering. We've got various ones. We have cherry tomatoes. We also have Moneymaker, which are golf ball sized tomatoes. And we have a couple from Rusty Gardener as well, my Rusty Gardener alley. Planted a few beetroot from seed here, and they're doing quite well. I've thrown some slug pellets because slugs and snails, they love the leaves. Over this side we have the propagated rose plant. It finished flowering. Lavender that we grew from seed a couple of years ago, and this is Ali's tomato plant. I'm going to plant them in a bigger pot soon when I get a bit of time. We have fennel plant, dwarf variety of dahlias planted from seed. Fennel. And here we have, what is this? Salvia, woodland salvia. These flower vertically, so I'm looking forward to seeing the purple flowers pointing upwards. These are marigolds. These are massive. They're called what are they called? Kilimanjaro marigold plants, and these flower amazingly well. They're big, massive balls of flower. Here we have the classic Cape gooseberries, starting to flower already. Very tasty. Just pop them in your mouth, nice and sweet. I popped 3 potatoes in this container a couple of months ago, and you can see lush green on top. So I'm looking forward to seeing how many potatoes we get from the 3 seeds that we planted. And this I'm going to throw in the bin. These are meant to be blueberries. I've had this plant for about 3 years and it's produced absolutely nothing. So I'm going to dash this in the bin. On this side we have rose cuttings. I prefer to leave these cuttings in the shade. I find, in my opinion, that they do quite well in the shade. Hopefully in a few months' time we should see some growth. And I'll leave these in the container until probably the end of autumn, and then I'll plant them outdoors. This is camellia. These are camellia cuttings. Some of them are actually died and shriveled up. I think there's one or two that might make it. And I love these because they flower during late winter, early spring. More tomatoes. We have some chilies. These were grown from seed. Ornamental plants, coleuses. Once they have bushed out a little bit, I'll place them outdoors in the front of the house. Chilies are doing good. These are the overwintered ones, by the way. I'm gonna harvest a few of these, maybe today or tomorrow. These are the ones that we have grown from seed. Weather has been decent. It's been okay. I mean, it hasn't been too cold in the evenings, early hours of the morning. They're definitely doing okay. As it gets warmer, they'll definitely spring into life. This is an experiment. I've got quite a few plants here. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've got over 10 plants here in one container. I want to see what happens. So this is a good little experiment. Here we have more Kilimanjaro marigolds. Go for the Kilimanjaro, guys. Here we have eggplants, aubergines, 3 in 1 large container. So we've got 2 containers here. Let's go this side where we have the runner beans. So I've created the A-frame already. You can see the runner beans are clinging on to the canes. And these runner beans, I had sown from seed indoors, and I just planted them out. So we have the Wonder Wax and Blue Lake varieties, same as last year. Abundant supply of beans, guys, stringless. And finally, on this side we have coriander. I find they do well in shade. And we have another batch of coriander, cilantro. Should start germinating in a week or so. So in terms of succession sowing, it's good because you'll get a longer supply of herbs and veg if you sow every 3 to 4 weeks. That wraps up a quick update from me in the back garden, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to, what I'll do, I'll ping another video maybe in a week or two. The front garden, I've got loads and loads of flowers that we grew from seed, initially indoors, and planted them out a couple of weeks ago. At the moment it's just lush green, but we want to see flowers, guys, and I'm hoping in a week or two we'll see some progress there. So stay safe and I'll catch you soon.